on, fish on.
My next great adventure took me to northern Michigan, a place I'd never been to before. And I can't believe just how beautiful it was. From crystal clear rivers to Lake Michigan. What the hell is that? My Lord. Beautiful forest and farmlands and some amazing sand dunes. And I fished in ways I've never fished before. I went for king salmon, coho, lake trout, and
There you go. Another one, double on.
got a double. And I even got to do a little fly fishing in some of the most pristine river water I've ever seen.
Oh,
Got it,
yes.
got it.
That's a nice brown, brother.
Well, that was fun. And the best part about the entire trip was the people that I met. Some great characters, great food, great drink. You guys are gonna love it. I had the time of my life. So come join me. You're watching The Real American Road Trip.